So in this area of practice at GTD Scientific, we take all of our knowledge from our forensic investigations, our research and development findings, as well as our expertise in small business, and we combine them into dynamic workshops that we can now give back to the public. Through dynamic lecture techniques, guest speakers, and group activities, we maximize the amount of knowledge you can take home. So this training can be beneficial to a variety of professionals. For example, if you're in medicine or rehab, we can increase your biomechanics knowledge to increase the accuracy and understanding of your assessments. If you're a legal professional, such as a paralegal or litigation attorney, we can increase your knowledge so that you can vet your experts and their reports more accurately. And if you're a police officer or social worker, we can specifically apply the knowledge to human conflict interactions. And lastly, our business courses can be useful for anyone interested in small business process. All of our training courses are approved by most associations for continuing professional development credits. So if this interests you, be sure to sign up, and we look forward to connecting with you.